LLM from 2620 is active. Today we will see how to use this keyword for constructor overloading when we create our classes. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, like, comment and share. So to demonstrate that one, let's create a new class and let's call it example. Here we can have, let's say, variables int a, b, and sum, and then we will have a constructor of example. So this is one of our constructors, and when we overload, we can create, as you remember from our previous exercises on overloading methods and constructors, we can have another constructor, let's say, with one variable, and to use this constructor by overloading this one, we can say this and then n. Okay, so this will call this constructor and use the one argument to compute sum and print it. And we can have a third one as well, and we can say, so by calling the second constructor, it will initialize the two fields to be 0 and the sum as the result of the two sums. So to demonstrate that one, as you can see, we have got a system out print line statement in the first constructor. So if we call example class here, say 3 and 5, okay, and we can also initialize ex as new example and make it 6, okay, and the third time. So if you run this code, you will get 3 printouts of 3 sums from the arguments provided and 0 from the empty argument. So let's run it. Okay, now we have got 3 and 5, which is 8, and 6 becomes 12 as we call the first constructor, and since we don't have an argument, it will be initialized to 0 and we will have a sum of 0. That's how we use this keyword to overload constructors when we create our classes. Thank you for watching my video.